Hello friends, welcome to Circuit Code Academy. Today's requirement is for Smarter Biz Technologies Private Limited. Experience required for this position is fresher or up to 5-year experience. They required position for semi-voice process, email and voice. This is a work from home job. So job location is Kolkata, Hyderabad, Secunderabad, Pune and Chennai. Job description: mandatory 8 hours of login time including productive call handling time and ideal time, and at least 25 working days in the month. Respond promptly to customer inquiries both on call and email response. Resolve customer complaints. Know the product inside and out so that you can answer queries and resolve complaint. Process order, form, application and request. Keep record of customer interaction, transaction, comments and complaints. Maintain positive and empathetic and professional attitude towards customer at all times. Ensure customer satisfaction and provide professional customer support. Qualification required for this position: minimum graduation in any stream is required. So English and Hindi language is must have laptop or a computer, good working condition, Android mobile phone, internet connectivity. So fresher or experienced candidates can apply for the job. So candidates must have 18 plus years. Interested candidates can send their resume to wfh@smarterbiz.ai. For such job update, subscribe the channel and press bell icon so you will get all job related notification. Next requirement is for India Mart. They require sales associates, freelancer. Candidates can earn up to 3,60,000 per annum. Work as a freelancer. Work from a location of your choice, that is work from home. Work on your schedule between 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Weekly payout based on the output. Additional initiatives on every additional sales done. Voice based calling process and data entry. About sales associate program: as a sales associate, you will provide awareness to customer about the India Mart subscription plan. You will also assist the customer to understand different paid services of India Mart. For this job, you require a good communication skill, laptop with webcam and internet connectivity. So this program also offers great work opportunity too. So self-employed sales professionals, any agent or advisor, homemakers, differently abled candidates can apply for this job. So eligibility criteria for this program: graduation is minimum requirement, command over English or Hindi required, laptop with webcam required, highest internet connection speed, so mobile phone. So ID proof, PAN card is required or bank details. So to apply for this job, I will provide link in the description. So you can read all details about this program and click to apply button for more details. After that you can fill this all details in the form and submit the form. If you are eligible, company will contact you. You can apply through naukari.com also. So for such a job update, subscribe the channel and press bell icon so you will get all job related notification. Thank you.